Hi everyone. Welcome to Regroup Technology. Today, we are unraveling the magic of machine learning. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Machine learning, or ML, is a branch of AI that teaches computers to think and learn from experience. ML algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values, helping machines make decisions without human intervention. Everyday applications of ML include fraud detection in banking, personalized content in media, and even autonomous driving. These algorithms help improve efficiencies and create smarter user experiences. Machine learning isn't just about data, it's about making sense of it to uncover hidden insights. As these systems learn from new data, they adapt, improving their accuracy and efficiency over time. This continuous learning enables businesses and technologies to evolve with ever-increasing intelligence and precision. Interested in how these algorithms work or want to see them in action? Stay tuned to Regroup Technology for deep dives into specific ML projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.